Welcome back. Like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Guys, here I'm going to apply that draw option. I would choose the color to draw anything. Here we could, guys, choose the shapes which we want to draw and the pictures. I have to choose, guys, that one shape to draw on it, which have been drawn on the image. Now, guys, it could be filled with different options and patterns. So here I have to select that one, and guys, now it would be filled with different patterns and colors like that one, and here I have to fill that one, and now guys I have to fill with that one, and on the very next step I have to fill that one colors and patterns on it. So here guys I have to choose these ones, and on that step we could try that one option, and here friends